Sandra. So welcome back to our channel, and as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing an Amazon related video today, and I haven't done one of these in quite a while. I'm going to be doing my most repurchased products from Amazon. And if you guys are new to this channel, Amazon is a very much used app in this house. Something is coming in here from Amazon way too often, but these items are like my most repurchased. I use these all the time. These are all mostly beauty products, but some are random. So I'm just gonna hop right into it. Okay, so starting with the first product, I'm starting with a body lotion. If you guys watch our most recent beauty favorites, like our yearly beauty favorites, this lotion was in there. This is from the brand Amlactin, and this is their daily 12% lactic acid moisturizing lotion. If you guys have not tried this lotion yet, and you have not had the best of luck with lotions that have actives in them, meaning like chemical exfoliators, this does have lactic acid in it, but this is extremely gentle. It says daily. I use it about 3 times a week, 4 times if I'm lazy and I don't want to use like my body scrubs. This is fantastic if you want to skip some steps in the shower and you don't want to exfoliate then moisturize after you shower. This is fantastic for that, and my skin feels silky smooth from using this. This is like maybe my 4th bottle of this lotion. I've gone through more than enough to know that this is a very effective lotion. It's not a basic lotion. You can't replace this with something else. Trust me, I've tried. This lotion is so underrated. I don't hear a lot of people talk about this, and if you guys have ever seen this lotion in any drugstores and you were wondering if you should pick it up or not, or if you can't find it anywhere, because I can never find this one in my Target, which is why I always get it off Amazon, please purchase it because it's fantastic. I love it. The only downside, it has a very strange smell. It's something about the smell like when you first rub it in, but it goes away super fast. I'm assuming that's because of like the lactic acid and stuff in it. This is not like a cute, fresh smelling, like perfumey kind of lotion. This is a very effective, you know, simple lotion, which I prefer in my body products. Like, I'm not one to use super like fragrant body products unless I'm like gonna be going out and I'm like layering like scents or something, like fragrances, but I don't use like fragrant smelling body products to moisturize, if that makes sense. So this one is a perfect go-to lotion if you guys are looking for one that works really well. They also have the bigger bottle, but it just depends on if you really love it, then you can get the bigger bottle, but this small one is 7.9 fluid ounces. So get this one first and then move up to the bigger size when you fall in love, because you will. Next is something a little bit more random. This is like a house lifestyle product, and I want to talk about some incense. And I know this is really random. I'm not a huge fan of incense sticks because most of them smell very similar, and Kelsey and I are mostly candle people. I don't really like incense like that. I prefer candles, but on the weekend sometimes I'm in the mood to like these. These are from the brand Fumino. And if you guys have ever tried incense and you think they smell bad, or they just smell like smoke, or they just smell just not good, you're using the wrong ones, because these are so good. They smell very luxe. Depending on the type of scent that you like, they have something for everybody. The only downside is you buy like one pack with like multiple, I was gonna say flavors, multiple scents in them, and these are my top 3 scents. So this one is the Simply Sandalwood. This is like fresh and clean smelling. This one smells just like sandalwood. If you guys are fans of the sandalwood note, you would absolutely love this one. It's like the perfect house, like fresh, clean house smell, but it kind of smells a little bit like fall. So if you like that cozy but fresh smell, you're gonna love this. And then Autumn Breeze absolutely smells like fall. This is similar to Simply Sandalwood, but slightly warmer, not as clean. And I love to sit these in front of the window on my little incense stand that you can also get from Amazon. I have a cute little gold one, and you just stick your incense wherever you want, but I prefer to put it in the window, especially when there's like a nice breeze outside, because you get like the fresh air coming in your house while this is, you know, lit. It smells so good. So Autumn Breeze is really good, but mine and Kelsey's all-time favorite in like the whole pack, I wish I can buy like 10 of these at a time, is the Black Opium scent. So this one is fantastic for nighttime. It has like a very like oudy, incensey, like smoky but sweetness to it. If you guys are into that kind of smell, if you smelled like hookah before, it's in that kind of family, which is why we only like to burn it like in the evenings. It's so good. This one is a vibe. So like I said, you can't get these individually. You can only get them in a pack, which sucks, but it's so worth it to get all three of these. The other two, I think one is like a tropical one, and I forgot what the other one was. Those don't smell that great to me, but maybe you might like them. We don't like them. These three though are absolutely fantastic. So these are the only incense that I will buy because they actually smell really good. Next, I have a hair product, and it's kind of basic and predictable, but it works. So that's why I purchased this over and over. And that is Argan Oil. This is certified organic, 100% cold pressed. I love this Argan Oil. It's very multi-use. You can use it on your body, your hair. I only use this on my hair. And as you guys know, I am a full-time curly at the moment, and my hair loves Argan Oil. It's not too greasy, it's not sticky. It adds a nice shine and luster to my hair, and it leaves my hair feeling nice and soft. I love this for oiling treatments as well. Like if I have like a separate scalp oil in, this is the oil that I will use like from the mid shaft to all the way to the ends. This is a fantastic oil. This is the bigger size. You can get the one in the dropper, which is smaller and it's cheaper, but this one just lasts longer. But I've gone through multiples of this size, which tells you how good this oil is, because this is a lot of oil. So I highly recommend the Argan Oil one from this brand if you're looking for one. I know they have like other oils from this brand, but Argan Oil is just extremely universal for all hair types. So I love this one, and it just works the same every time I use it. And like I said, it's multi-use, so love this. I'll just stick with the hair products. Another hair product that I've been repurchasing over and over is this Extreme Gel. I love this gel. This is the improved formula. I love this new formula because I did try this gel like maybe like 4 years ago-ish, and I absolutely hated it. My hair was very flaky. It had a lot of residue, and the results just were not for me. But this version, I'm obsessed. If you're looking for a gel to clump your curls together, define them, they're gonna be shiny, they're gonna dry soft, not super crunchy. It's like a slight tiny crunch. This is like a medium hold. This is not a strong hold gel. So if you like those kind of gels, not for you. But if you love like a soft, fluffy hold, this one's for you. I absolutely love this gel. It's in my hair now at the moment. And if you guys watched my week in my curly hair routine video, you saw me use this. And it's super affordable, which is why I've gone through so many. And I usually get like a 2-pack off Amazon. This one came in like a set of 2. So I always get them in 2s. I never buy one jar at a time because I fly through this like water. And it has like an amazing like texture. I love that it's not like too like slippery. I love that it's like dense enough for my thicker hair. So if you have thick hair, you will love this. Even if you don't, I still think you can use like a smaller amount and you will still love it. I highly recommend this if you're looking for defined soft curls. This is the gel you need. So moving back to body products, this whole body deodorant from Lumi is fantastic, but specifically the toasted coconut one, because I have tried the lavender vanilla one and then the green one, I think it's called Forest something. Those are decent, but the toasted coconut one is the best. It smells like cookies. It's so good, and it actually works. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I have not tried this in like the deep middle of deep soft summer yet, so I'm not sure how it works then. But I have tried this just like on an everyday basis, like an everyday deodorant when I'm not doing like high intense things. This is my go-to. I absolutely love it. I love wearing this to bed. Like, it just makes me feel so fresh and clean. So if you're looking for an aluminum-free deodorant and you can't find one that actually works or makes you smell worse, because those, like, I tried the ones at the drugstore that say that and they just don't work for me. So that's why I continue to use like the regular Dove or Secret deodorant when I just want to be safe. Like if I think I'm gonna be sweating too much, I still keep those just in case. But on an everyday basis, This one has been very effective. It says for pits, privates, and beyond, so you can use it anywhere that you need it. So I highly recommend the toasted coconut one though. Smells phenomenal. So next I have a body sponge that I've been using for years and years at this point. If you guys have seen other like Amazon related videos, I have talked about this sponge before. This is from the brand Almuni. I always say Alumi, I'm saying it wrong. It's Almuni, and it usually comes in like a pack of at least 2. And I've gone through so many of these. I travel with these, and like wherever I travel to, once I'm done using it, I'll just throw it away because these are disposable. Like you can change them out I think every other month. So depending on what kind of person you are in the shower, I don't really like towels because I don't feel like they clean me well enough. I just don't feel clean with those. So I always feel like I need a sponge. I used to be a loofah girl, but I haven't used a loofah in years. This is my alternative to the loofah. So when you wet this, it does like expand. It's not flat like this the whole time. But that's why I love these, because I have tried like a knockoff version of these that's slightly cheaper. Don't use that. It felt like sandpaper. Absolutely not. But this specific brand is the best. So I love this one, and I love that it has the little strap for your hand, so it's easy to, you know, do your thing in the shower. This combined with like the rest of my body care routine is, I'm sure, the reason why my skin has been extremely soft for the past few years. And Kelsey has even noticed a difference in my skin. She's noticed it's much softer. So I'm not the only one who's noticed the difference. And I'm pretty sure this is the reason why. In combination with other products like exfoliating and lotions and potions and stuff that I use, I highly recommend this body sponge. You guys will not regret it. You need this in your shower. You just do. Okay, next I'm going to talk about my favorite vitamins that I always get from Amazon, and these are from the brand Dr. Tobias, and they are the omega-3 fish oil. I do take fish oil. I haven't been as consistent as I normally am, but these are the best fish oil pills that I have tried that do not have like a nasty aftertaste that some have. But these are the triple strength soft gels, and they last for 90 days, so they're like a 3-month supply. If you guys are looking for a good omega-3, highly recommend these. And for the longest time I was purchasing these in like another probiotic over and over. Like they were on like auto, like the auto supply button, like the setting on Amazon, and I had to like stop because I was like, Kendra, just get them as you need them. Because at one point I had so many of these in my bathroom, and I'm finally like down to the last one. So these have been the only fish oil that I have used for like, I want to say 5 years now. The omega-3 has so many benefits. It's great for your skin, your hair, mainly like your heart health. It's just so many benefits. It's good for your joints, immune system, and it says it pairs well with other multivitamins. If you're looking to use this in addition to other like multivitamins, it does say it pairs well with adult multivitamin, and it does say it supports heart, brain, joints, immune system. It obviously doesn't have the beauty benefits because those are like a byproduct of the other benefits of omega-3, if that makes sense. So it's beneficial to like your joints, heart, obviously very important, but in addition it does make your hair shinier, and it does make your skin glow. So I also keep these around when I'm not like eating salmon, because y'all know Kelsey and I are a huge fan of like salmon. Like I make salmon very often, but when I'm not eating salmon, I make sure to take these, because I know you can get your omega-3 from fish, but when I'm not eating fish, I have these in my bathroom at all times. Next is another like bathroom random item, and that is these non-woven sponges that I have been purchasing for a very long time. I know that it's not the most eco-friendly, but I love these gauze little sponges because they are non-woven, because the non-wovens are way too scratchy. And I'm someone who doesn't use like towels on my face, like when I pat dry my face after I wash it, just because like I have sensitive skin, and just to be sure, I like to dry my face off with these. And they're extremely soft, like very silky smooth. They don't irritate my skin, and I can just toss it when I'm done with it. I also like to use these when I'm using like the BHA liquid from Paula's Choice. These are good for that as well. They're just basically your cotton pad replacement. And these just feel so much better in my opinion. And I feel like gauze is just good to have in your house, but I mainly use them for skincare purposes. So if you guys are looking for a better like alternative to skincare gauze or cotton pads, these are the best in my opinion. I love these. And they're from the brand Dynarex. Okay, so last but not least are my Tinkle razors. Again, you guys have seen me talk about these forever. These are the only like face razors I've been using. I know there are other ones out there that people enjoy, but these have always worked for me, so I don't see the point in changing them. And I shave my face like maybe once, maybe twice a month, but usually once a month. So these do last a while, but I've been using Tinkle razors for years and years. So that's why they're in this video, because I will continue to repurchase these from Amazon. And this big pack is super affordable, lasts super long. And I like the big pack of these because after I use one, I just throw it out. I don't reuse one because I don't want to like break out or like put bacteria back on my face. It's just cleaner and, you know, more hygienic to just use it once and then toss it. So that's also why I like how many that comes in here. I like the amount. So highly recommend these Tinkle razors. And if you guys have never dermaplaned your face before, if you've ever got it done at like a med spa, like when you're getting a facial, your skin just looks and feels absolutely amazing. You're more glowy, your makeup goes on smoother, your skincare absorbs so much better. It's a game changer for like your skincare routine, your beauty routine. If you want to step up your skincare routine like a few notches, start dermaplaning. You're going to see a difference. So I highly recommend these razors. And they don't like, they're not too sharp, because I know like when I was first starting out shaving my face, I didn't know what I was doing, and these are safer, you know? So love Tinkle razors. Okay guys, so that wraps up my most repurchased products from Amazon. All of these products will be in our Amazon storefront if you guys are interested. You guys know I will not recommend anything to you that I don't absolutely love. I know you're gonna love all these products. That's why they've been purchased over and over in this house, and I will continue to. So these products are gonna stay in our Amazon storefront if you guys are interested. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.